everyone, welcome to Tablescape Tuesdays. Now, Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today we have a theme and it's bursting lemons, so come on and join us. All right, so this is how I set up my tablescape for Tablescape Tuesdays. Remember, that's my favorite time of the week and everyone can join at any time. It is an open invite. The host of this collaboration is myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Now let me show you what I've done. Let's take a look at the centerpiece. So this votive and the votive holder that came from the Dollar Tree. Isn't this gorgeous? These lemons. Okay, so this came from the thrift store. I absolutely love that piece. That was a great piece, great score. All right, so then here I have the candle and the candle holder, which came from the Dollar Tree. The bunnies, okay, representing spring and summer. Okay, those came, I think they came from Dollar General. I'm not sure because I've had them for a while. Now this beautiful centerpiece right here, I didn't want it to overwhelm the table, so I put it off to the side, and all of these are my DIYs. So the center DIY vase has that bow and those beautiful pearl embellishments. We have the mini roses and the tulips in yellow. Those came from Michael's. Then I have these two centerpiece stand-up, okay, decor pieces here, florals. They're absolutely gorgeous. This was also a DIY. I'm gonna see if I link the video for these DIYs in the description box. Here we have a bowl of lemons because it's burst of lemons. Isn't that cute? On the bottom, I have ice, well, faux ice. So I think this was a beautiful addition to my lemon piece. Now let's come on over to the tablescape, guys. So I have this yellow napkin here. This was a gifted item. And then the napkin rings, these came from Kirkland's. Okay, the flatware came from Home Goods. And let's look on to the dishware. So we have this navy blue. I decided to go with the navy blue because the next dish, both pieces came from the Dollar Tree, but this dish is trimmed in navy blue, and there's navy blue throughout the dish with lemons. Isn't that beautiful? And so I knew that this dish would go perfectly in the center of the plate. Okay, isn't that beautiful, guys? I'm loving those colors, the color combination. Now this came from the Dollar Tree as well. Okay, and I love that it's distressed. All right, so that came from Dollar Tree. And then we have the placemats, and these came from Hobby Lobby. Isn't that beautiful? I love it. Now we have the wine glass, which came from the Dollar Tree. And then we have the water glass, which is thrifted. Okay, so I just kind of angle those like that. Now let's go back and let me show you how I did this. We'll build this back up again. So I put the charger here, okay, and then I put the lemon plates. Very budget-friendly tablescape, guys, with thrifted and Dollar Tree items from other stores that are also budget-friendly. Okay, so I think this place setting looks absolutely beautiful. Here's the yellow napkin. And that is what it's looking like. So I'm gonna go ahead and take you over to the reveal. I hope you like what I set up for you today. Burst of lemons, I love it. Let's head on over to the reveal. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.